ZC Beats.
Hey y'all, so I'm at the Hoover Dam. Hey y'all, so I'm going to the Hoover Dam, and I stopped at Lake Mead, and I'm passing clothes to my mom. Oh, I came with my mom and dad to Vegas.
Yes. Okay. So behind us is Lake Mead.
Take your picture.
She's video. Thank you though. Yeah, that's Lake Mead, and she's gonna post some different things about how their water collected and everything. But it is such a beautiful sight, as you can see. I don't know what the elevation is, but it'll say it in all the information that she posts later. Enjoy.
Hey y'all, so I just almost passed out because we had to walk. I'm gonna show y'all the stairs, but I had to walk a lot of stairs. I'm not built for this, but it's worth it, and it's really high. It's like 100 something. I don't even know. My back's sweating, my thighs sweating. It's a lot.
We're all sweating, but we're still taking it.
Yeah, and I'm almost there. And now, so as y'all can see, basically what my mom and dad just talked about, okay, so look, it's where the bridge is, there's Nevada side and Arizona side. We're on the Arizona side.
No, we're on the Nevada side.
We're on the Nevada side, but we're gonna cross the bridge and we're gonna be on the Arizona side. So yeah, I'm almost there. I'm running low on water. Thank you. Hey y'all, so I'm at the Hoover Dam right now. As y'all can see, my hands are shaking, literally.
Because it's so tall.
Yeah, I think. But yeah, I'm at the Hoover Dam. I walked a lot, all the way down there. That's my mom. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all back when I'm walking down the stairs so y'all can see what I've been going through. Hey y'all, so those are the stairs. Let me switch it. Oh, I can't switch it. Look y'all, so those are the stairs I had to go up. That was a struggle. I did good in my water though. I got to come back to a cold drink.
And a semi-comfortable car.
And a semi-comfortable car with a little bit of air pumping through. It's coming there.
If I am really tired was a face, it would be me.
Yes. It's hot.
It's super hot.
Yeah, 100.
And her daddy was just running down the stairs like it's 50-degree weather.
Yeah, he loves heat. He be outside, like that's what he used to do, was be outside.
Just when he was jogging.
Jogging.
He barely able to walk.
Barely. Crazy.